Today, we are going to compare and see what is cheaper, running your online business on a WordPress platform or running it on an all-in-one system.
2 years ago, I made a video comparing ClickFunnels and Cartflows.
Both Cartflows and ClickFunnels do a very good job of creating sales funnels that allow your customers to buy your product easily.
So what I'm really looking at today is not just a price comparison, but a system that does the job and does it well.
All right, so let's take a look at what we're going to need if we're going to be running an online business based on WordPress. So firstly, we're going to need great hosting, and the hosting I recommend here is Cloudways, because this is cloud hosting as compared to shared hosting. Shared hosting will give you a lot of problems. I've experienced this myself, so that's what I highly recommend. Next, we're going to need great email delivery. So for that, we can use Fluent CRM. The good thing about this is it runs on your website and it is quite cheap to send all your emails out. Now, moving forward, you're going to need sales funnels. So for this, we're going to be using Cartflows or WP funnels. Now, these two are very, very good. I've tried both of them and they work really, really well. All right, so let's say you want to sell online courses on your website. Now, LearnDash is what I highly recommend, and it works really well and integrates really well with all these other tools that I've just mentioned. And let's say you want to run a membership website. This is where Wishlist Member comes in as well. Now, this works with Fluent CRM, LearnDash, and it integrates really, really well. So moving on, let's say you want to host your videos. So what I do is I host my videos on Vimeo. It gives me a lot of flexibility. So while we're still on the subject of video hosting, this is where I also add a video player with a service called Presto Player. Now, this is really cool because you can add links, you can add subscriptions onto the actual player itself, and you can add a lot more things that you can't do with Vimeo. Now, for your website to look beautiful out of the box, if you use Gutenberg, it's going to be very difficult to highly customize your website to really make it look the way you want. Now, this is where you need a page builder. So there's a few out there. There's Divi, there's Elementor, there's Breezy, and so on. But the one I highly recommend is Divi. So that again is what's going to make you design your websites and make them look the way you want. And it also integrates very well with all these other services that I've just mentioned. So let's say you want to expand your business and grow it even faster. This is where you can implement affiliates. So in order for you to sell affiliates on your platform, you need an extra software called Affiliate WP. Now, again, this is a paid service, but this is something that you may not need right in the beginning. It could come down the line. In a nutshell, this is what you need in order for you to run your online business on a WordPress platform. Okay, so now let's take a look at a system called System.io. This is an all-in-one package which basically runs your online business. Now let's take a look at what it has in its package and see if this is ideal for running an online business as compared to the WordPress platform. So here the first thing is sales funnels. So we have sales funnels in the actual package. We also have email marketing, website builder. Now the website builder is quite amazing because it's similar to Divi, but of course it doesn't have all the features that Divi has, but it does the job. Next, we have our affiliate program. We also have business automation, evergreen webinars, online courses, blogging, and you can also sell your product. So these are the components that we need to run an online business. So basically, System.io replaces services like ClickFunnels, Katra, Lead Pages, and Kajabi. But over here on the pricing, they have a free plan here which gives you 2,000 contacts, and you can also send unlimited emails, and it also comes with 3 sales funnels. Now, this is something that you can just dive in, use this for a little bit, see how it works, but I highly recommend you go for the paid platforms, especially the $97 a month. So while we're on the $97 a month, remember when I compared all the WordPress tools, they came to a total of $266 per month. Now, this is $97 per month, and it gives us everything on that list. And there's one cost that I did not talk about, and this cost is your time to fix things when things go bad. Now, remember, a moment ago, I said the total of all the tools is $266 per month, roughly. Now, if you take a look at this, it's $97 per month. Guys, this is crazy. And this $97 comes with all these services. Now, look at this. You can send unlimited emails. You have unlimited sales funnels. You have blogs. You have courses. You also have automations. You have email campaigns, order bumps, coupon codes, deadline funnels. Come on, guys, this is super amazing. For anyone who wants to start a business, I highly recommend you take a look at System.io. If you don't want the headache of trying to fix things when things break and so on and so forth, then System.io is the way forward. Now, I have a link in the video description below, and if you sign up for any of the plans here, you get my online course which teaches you how to get started with creating an online business. All right, so guys, let me know what you think. What would you go for? The WordPress system or System.io, which has everything under one umbrella? Leave your comments in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.